Nike Cortez on my feet. I don't take pics, but I'm feeling stylish. Just cop from Jewel new teeth. Every time I smile, you can see the diamonds. Y'all really don't want no beef. Flip the whole function, get the wildin'. Y'all niggas can't fuck with me. Stay in your lane, you ain't got the mileage. I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad. Always roll deep and we move like the mob. Got our own section, ain't fucking with y'all. Keep going up when I'm watching you fall. You really not hard, you niggas just soft. I made my own calls, I don't got a boss. Your Bentley is rented, can't handle the cost. A lot on my plate, I just can't take a loss. I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad. I'm with the gang, I'm with the hoe. I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad. I'm with the gang, I'm with the gang, 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 gang.
Yo, YouTube, it's your boy JR, the one, the only one. Back with another video, yes sir, today, man. Hopefully everybody having a great day today, you know what I'm saying? But today we picked up these retro one, Bordeaux, what you want to call these joints, saying. Actually, I ain't gonna lie, this shoe I was really iffy on. Not gonna sit here and lie to y'all, sugarcoat, anything like that. I was real iffy on this shoe, not gonna lie. But after looking at reviews on the shoe, you know what I'm saying? I'm like, okay, it's a good colorway. The leather material on the shoe is actually really good. It's not a bad looking quality shoe at all. I gave it about an 8 out of 10, you know what I'm saying? Only thing that kind of threw me off a little bit was the metallic swoosh on the shoe. But other than that, I give it 8 out of 10. Comment down below, man. Let me know if y'all got this shoe, you like this shoe, you passed on them. Let your boy know down below. But we're going to do an on feet and an in-hand review of this shoe, you know what I'm saying? So make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, of course, as always. But without further ado, man, let's get into the video. But like I said at the beginning of the video, we got these Air Jordan Retro 1s, Bordeaux, what you want to call them, like I said beforehand. We got the shoe, man. We picked it up today. And plus, we're going to have our own feet of the shoe, man. So without further ado, let's go get that shoe out for show. But also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let's go get the shoe out. There you go. Air Jordan 1 box. I'm about to get back on my Air Jordan 1s, man. I'm about to. But the thing is, I don't like getting every shoe now. Like, that's just how I am. Like, these Retro 1s be coming out. In my head, I think it's like the material of a shoe. Like, the colorways be cool, but the material on the shoe, I'm like, man, I ain't gonna lie, ain't it. But these not bad at all. Look better in person. Great fall shoe, you know what I'm saying? Thanksgiving shoe, all that good stuff. Definitely a great shoe for sure, man. But I got my personal size for sure. Keeping this, you know what I'm saying? Got your boy personal size. Definitely excited about that for retail. But right now, these ain't even going for too much for real. It's going to be one of them shoes under the radar for a long time for sure. But it says Air Jordan 1, Retro High OG, Bordeaux, metallic, silver, white, size 11.5, retail for 170. So our taxes was like 183, you know what I'm saying? So like I said, I picked these up. I didn't hit on Foot Locker or anything like that. Just somebody let that for your boy, you know what I'm saying? For retail, so definitely salute to you for sure. Let's go get these bad boys out. Here they go, man. The Air Jordan 1 Retro Bordeaux right here, man. Bordeaux, like I said, you want to call them. Dope material, man. The leather quality on these is super dope for sure. Y'all could tell, got that good tumble leather right there on the side panel. Of course, on the toe box, got that good leather. And also around the toe as well, got that good leather right there, man, for sure. I love it. Let's go get the other shoe out. So it comes with sets of white laces. So what I'm gonna do is have one shoe, well, of course, the burgundy laces, I should say, and also I'm gonna have one with the white laces. So give y'all could, you know, see the difference on between on which one, you know what I'm saying? So, but here they go, man. Here they go. Super clean shoe, man, for sure. And the whole upper is leather. There's no suede or anything like that on the shoe. The whole upper is leather. But they had the Japan ones of these, the same exact, you know what I'm saying? But the box is different, of course. But it's the Japan joints. It was the navy blue ones. But the upper, it was more suede. But like I said, the upper is leather. Just letting y'all know, of course. So let's go and talk about this shoe, man. Also, you got your burgundy, aka Bordeaux outsole with the Nike logo right in the middle. Along the toe box, you got your white toe box. Like I said, you see that leather quality right there. Good leather quality. Got your white midsole. And of course, you got that burgundy right here around the toe. Also got your metal silver Nike check with your white tumble leather right here on the side panel. Of course, you got your Air Jordan Wing logo. Let's come with these burgundy laces. And like I said beforehand, where the white laces at? Where the white laces at? Come with sets of white laces. Also, I love this, man, on Air Jordan 1s. I love it. It got the stitched in Nike Air burgundy stitched in. And on the inside, got your white Air Jordan logo on the inside of the shoe. Like I said, I can say 8 out of 10 for sure. 8 out of 10. I was watching Sniper Jones, you know what I'm saying, and Tony Too Wild, you know what I'm saying. And they was saying that it's an 8 out of 10. They both said 8 out of 10 for sure. They like the shoe. But it was like, change this, not the material, but change this Nike swoosh. Change it to like this burgundy on here. But I ain't gonna lie. I actually like the, you know what I'm saying, on the shoe. It pops out a little bit, you know what I'm saying. When you far back, it pops out a little bit more. But I can see where he's coming from for sure. Oop, almost shit the camera. But I can see where he's coming from for sure, man. But I like the shoe. But I won't keep the burgundy laces in there, I feel like. But I think I'm gonna do the white. But like I said, I'm gonna have one white and one burgundy, so y'all can see the difference on which one. But let's go and get this on feet going. I'm gonna come back, talk to y'all about more about the shoe, but let's go and get that on feet going, man. Like and subscribe if you're new, man. Let's get this on feet going. Let's get it.
Nike Cortez on my feet. I don't take pics, but I'm feeling stylish. Just caught from jewelry, new teeth. Every time I smile, you can see the diamonds. Y'all really don't want no beef. Flip the whole function, get the wildin'. Y'all niggas can't fuck with me. Stay in your lane, you ain't got the mileage. I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad. Always roll deep and we move like the mob. Got our own section, ain't fucking with y'all. Keep going up when I'm watching you fall. You really not hard, you niggas just soft. I made my own calls, I don't got a boss. Your Bentley is rented, can't handle the cost. A lot on my plate, I just can't take a loss. I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad. I'm with the gang, I'm with the hoe. I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad. I'm with the gang, I'm with the gang, 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 gang.
You will only see some real niggas round me. Gang, gang, GVO, that's the family. I'm making classes for the culture like I'm Spike Lee. But I'm trying to be a legend like I'm Stan Lee. I do the most for my people when I show it.
I am back from my own feet. I ain't gonna lie. Which one y'all like better? I ain't gonna lie. That white hitting different there, boy. That white hitting different. I ain't gonna lie to you. That white hitting different. Comment down below, man. Let me know. Like the burgundy laces, you know what I'm saying? Don't look too bad, you know what I'm saying? Don't look bad at all. Like the colorway of it for sure. Like the colorway. You know what I'm saying? Can't complain at all. But like I said, your boy JR1 is feeling these ones with the white laces, you feel me? Make the shoe pop a little bit better, you know what I'm saying? I like it with the white laces. Like I said, comment down below. Let your boy know, you know what I'm saying? Like the colorway. I like the colorway of it, man. Size run on these joints. I got 11.5. I mean, 11 would have been cool, but 11.5 give me a little more cushion in it. Make my foot feel a little better, you know what I'm saying? A little more comfortable, but overall, definitely 8 out of 10 for sure, man. Because at first, I ain't gonna lie, seeing pictures and all that stuff, I'm like, I get this about a 6 or not even that, close to a 7. I gave about a 6. But seeing them in hand, the leather quality, the material, everything on the shoe definitely look good for sure, man. So like I said, it's tumble leather, look real good. Like I said, the whole upper of the shoe is leather. It's not no suede or anything like that material. It's just that wish that silver Nike check on the midsole would have been a little better. But other than that, like I said, 8 out of 10 for sure, man. A lot of people slept on this shoe. It be like that, and I like that. When people sleep on shoes, be better for your, you know what I'm saying, your boy or anything like that, get shoes for retail. And I ain't gonna lie, a lot of people got leftover pairs, so be on the lookout for tomorrow or Monday like that. Be ready for leftover pairs, you know what I'm saying, in case y'all like, oh, I like that shoe, I missed out on the shoe, you know what I'm saying, so go ahead, check it out. They be having leftover pairs, so definitely call like your retail stores, like a Foot Locker, Champs, you know what I'm saying, Headbit, City Gear, you know what I'm saying, Finish Line, you know what I'm saying, call them stores, see they got leftover pairs, you know what I'm saying, so this is a great fall shoe, man. So I can't wait to throw it on, style it up for sure. Like I said, I got a lot of videos coming up real soon. I promise y'all. Like I said, I don't be just not working. I ain't been posting anything like that, you know what I'm saying? But I got some stuff cooked up for sure, man. I got some stuff cooked up for sure, cause I got a lot of ideas. I want to do it, and I'm definitely gonna do it, cause I really want to start styling up. Not stay styling up, but I'll be dressing a lot. I like dressing up, you know what I'm saying? I ain't saying dressing up as far as like suits and now. Like I like going to the thrift store or like going out, like saying I like throwing stuff, different stuff on, like dressing up and stuff like that. So I want to bring that to the channel so y'all can see it. So bring a different perspective to the channel rather than just talk about shoes. I want to bring also like styling up, like with these. I got multiple ideas in my head. I can style them up with these, or like the recent release I just did. What shoe was that? I can't even remember. What last release I just do? It was the Dunk Low Georgetown. Those, like I could style them up with something, you know what I'm saying? Like I got multiple ideas in my head that I want to style up certain shoes with. It just be like, man, I want to do this, I want to do that. You know what I'm saying? Got slow down a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Let it, you know what I'm saying, catch up. But I got some ideas for sure. Trust me, believe me, man. I got y'all for sure. But like I said, man, these are Air Jordan 1 Bordeaux, whatever you want to call them. Retail was $170. Got your boy got these for retail, man. Can't complain at all. But like I said, comment down below, man. Let me know if y'all got these. You like the burgundy laces, like the white laces. Let your boy know down below. That's it for this video, man. Like and subscribe if you're new. I appreciate y'all showing love support as always, man. Y'all always show love support, man. I definitely appreciate it, man. Make sure you follow your boy on Instagram down below, JR the Ones. Also follow my main page, man. People be forgetting to follow my main page for some odd reason. Don't know why. But follow my main page. Like I said, I'll be styling the stuff. Check that page out. I'll be styling, man. Ain't no styling Stella over here. You hear me? Check that page out, man. It's like what's my personal page. Also my Twitter. All that pages down below, man. I greatly appreciate it, man. Like and subscribe if you're new. Let's catch y'all on another video. Y'all have a blessed one. JR the One is out. Peace.